Hello and welcome back to Canada Pension Guide, your trusted place for clear and reliable updates on CPP, OAS, GIS, and everything related to retirement benefits in Canada. Today, we've got some incredible news that has sparked interest and even a bit of excitement among Canadian seniors from coast to coast. And yes, it's true. The Canada Revenue Agency, CRA, has officially announced that double payments are being issued this month. That means, for some seniors, it could result in an extra $700 from CPP and up to $2,600 from OAS, all arriving in your account in June. In this video, we're going to explain everything you need to know, why these extra payments are being issued, who qualifies to receive them when the payments are arriving, and what to do if your payment hasn't shown up. We'll also look at how these payments affect low-income seniors and those receiving GIS, the Guaranteed Income Supplement. So if you're a Canadian senior, or helping a family member manage their retirement finances, stay with us till the end. Missing this could mean missing out on thousands of dollars. Let's get into it. So first of all, what exactly is happening? The CRA and Service Canada have confirmed that in June 2025, several types of payments are being issued either together or within days of each other. For many seniors, this will make it feel like a double or even triple payment. The reason? A few different components are all being deposited at once. Regular monthly CPP and OAS payments, retroactive payments from previous months. For those whose benefits were delayed or underpaid, one-time adjustments for seniors whose income or benefit status has recently changed, provincial top-ups or income-tested credits. Depending on your province, all these combined can lead to significantly larger deposits in seniors' bank accounts this month. Let's talk about CPP first, the Canada Pension Plan. This is a monthly pension for people who contributed to the plan while working in Canada. In 2025, the maximum CPP payment for new retirees starting at age 65 is around $1,364 per month. But most Canadians don't receive that full amount. The average CPP payment is about $831 per month. So how are people getting close to or even above $1,700 this month? Here's how it works. First, you get your regular monthly CPP payment. Let's say it's around $831. Then, if your application was processed late or if the government found that you were underpaid in previous months, you could receive a retroactive adjustment of several $100s. In addition, if you delayed starting CPP until age 70, you can receive up to 42% more per month than someone who started at 65. That alone can boost your monthly payment by several $100s. On top of that, certain provinces, like Quebec, Ontario, or British Columbia, offer their own provincial top-ups, which are sometimes paid around the same time as your federal benefits. All these combined could easily bring some people's CPP deposit this month above $1,700. Now, let's move on to OAS, Old Age Security. OAS is different from CPP. While CPP is based on your contributions while working, OAS is a government-funded monthly benefit for most Canadians 65 and older, based on your residency in Canada. The standard OAS payment in 2025 is about $713 per month if you're between 65 and 74 years old. But for seniors 75 and older, the payment increases to around $784 per month, thanks to a 10% bump that was introduced in 2022. So how could someone get as much as $2,600 in OAS and related benefits this month? It's not just OAS alone. Let's break it down. First, there's your regular monthly OAS payment, say, around $784. If your OAS application was delayed or if there were issues with your previous payments, you might receive retroactive back pay. If you recently turned 75, that 10% OAS increase may be applied retroactively for a few months, adding several $100s more. Many low-income seniors also qualify for GIS, the Guaranteed Income Supplement, which can be as high as $1,065 per month for single seniors. Add in provincial supplements or one-time payments, like housing or heating credits, and you could see a deposit that totals $2,600 or even more. Let's now answer the big question: who qualifies? To get CPP, you must be at least 60 years old and must have made contributions to the Canada Pension Plan during your working life. To get OAS, you must be at least 65 years old and have lived in Canada for at least 10 years since turning 18. Most importantly, neither CPP nor OAS is automatic unless you've received a notification saying so. That means you must apply to receive these benefits. Now let's talk about the different situations where people are seeing extra payments this month. If your application was delayed, CRA might now be sending you a lump sum retroactive payment. If you recently turned 65 or 75, your OAS or GIS benefits may have increased and might also include retroactive pay. If you asked for a reassessment of your CPP, OAS, or GIS because of updated income or contributions, and they found you were eligible for more, you'll now get that difference. If you moved to Canada from a country that has a social security agreement with Canada, such as the UK, India, or Italy, you may be entitled to international pension top-ups. And finally, if you recently filed your taxes, your GIS may have been re-evaluated based on your latest income. That could result in back pay for GIS. Now you're probably wondering, when will the money arrive? The official payment date for both CPP and OAS this month is June 26, 2025. But because of the different types of retroactive and provincial payments, some people may have already seen a deposit earlier this month, or could see a second deposit a few days after the 26th. To check your payments, you can log into your My Service Canada account or your CRA My account, or simply check your online banking. Search for deposits labeled Canada Deposit or Service Canada. Now let's quickly go over GIS, the Guaranteed Income Supplement. GIS is a non-taxable benefit available to low-income seniors who receive OAS. If you're a single senior and your income is below $21,624, you may be eligible. With GIS included, some seniors are now receiving $1,800 to $2,400 or more in total monthly benefits. GIS is automatically reviewed each year based on your income tax return. So if you filed late, your GIS may have been suspended, but now that you've filed, you could be getting back pay this month. Alright, now, what if June 26th passes and you don't see any payment? Here's what to do. Wait 3 to 5 business days. Sometimes banks take time to process federal deposits. Log into your Service Canada account to see if the payment has been issued. Double-check your direct deposit information. If you recently changed banks, that could delay the payment. Still nothing? Call Service Canada at 1-800-277-9914. For CPP issues, ask for the CPP division. For OAS or GIS, ask for the OAS department. Let's take a moment to talk about why this matters. In today's economy, where prices are rising every month, whether it's groceries, rent, or medical expenses, these extra payments are more than just helpful. They can help you pay an overdue hydro or utility bill, afford medications or transportation, stock up on groceries, visit children or grandchildren, or just take a breath financially. Even a few $100s can offer peace of mind for a month or two. And for some seniors, it can be the difference between stress and stability. Before we wrap up, here's a quick checklist to make sure you're getting every dollar you deserve. Have you filed your 2024 taxes? This affects GIS and other benefits. Have you checked your bank account and Service Canada portal for deposits? Are your address and direct deposit info up to date? And if you're missing a payment, have you contacted Service Canada? And finally, what's coming next? We're closely watching for CPP and OAS increases in July, potential GIS updates, and any new senior benefits in the 2025 federal budget. So don't forget to subscribe to Canada Pension Guide, turn on notifications, and stay informed with clear, easy to understand updates every single week. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you or someone you love, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and share it with a friend or family member who might need it. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next update.